Day one pig farming. I've done nothing but pick up shit and fucking bury holes that have been dug up by the bloody things. But let's go and have a look now what they're doing. Hang on a sec. Gotta be quiet. I think they've gone back to bed, lazy fuckers. Oh, well, they bloody heard me coming, didn't they? Straight out of the bed. Hello, you two. Everybody meet Willis. Willis, the black one. And there is, funny enough, Bruce, the white one. So are we going to call you Willis and Bruce or Bruce Willis? Those are good boys, eh? Those are good boys. Oh, those are good boys. Oh, those are good boy. Oh. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh. Hey. It's your first day. Look at the bloody hole. I've already flipping filled it in once. You've turfed your flipping trough over there. Oh, well, you're just having a lie down there, are you? Yeah? You're just having a lie down there. Yeah? Hey. Oh. Good boys. Good boys. Oh, day one. See you tomorrow.